Hello guys, how are you all? So first of all, wish you very happy new year to all my viewers. In this video, I am covering the Big Bash League match number 22, which is playing between Sydney Heat, Brisbane Heat versus Sydney Sixers. So guys, in this video, I will talk about all the match report, possible playing 11, pre-lineup team head-to-head comparison in this video. So let's move ahead and talk about the points table situation of both of teams. So Brisbane Heat in the top of in the points tables, he played 5 matches where he won 4 matches in their 5 matches. Also, if you talk about the Sydney Sixers, they also play 5 matches and they won 3 matches in this series. So guys, this is a points table of both of teams. Let's move ahead and talk about the pitch and conditions of this match. So this match playing in at the Gabba Brisbane in Australia. So if we talk about the pitch and reports, so total 10 matches have been played in this venue, where batting first won 7 matches and bowling first won 3 matches in this pitch. Also, if we talk about the average score is 166 in this venue, and Gabba pitch is generally one of the fast paced and high bouncy pitch in Australia. So the ball come nicely onto the bat in this venue. Let's move ahead and talk about the head-to-head comparison of both of teams. So if you talk about total 18 matches have been played of both of teams, where Brisbane Heat won 5 matches and Sydney Sixers won 13 matches in head-to-head comparison. So guys, this is all about the head-to-head comparisons. Let's move ahead and talk about the possible playing 11 of both of teams. So first of all, Brisbane Heat possible playing 11. Josh Brown and Colin Munro probably open the inning, and MC Swepsy will come on first round. Matt Renzo, Sam Billing, Paul Walter, Mitchell Nesser will handle the middle order from Brisbane Heat. M. Swepson and M. Kuhneman will handle the spinning attack from Brisbane Heat. Xavier Bartlett and Spencer Johnson will handle the pacing attack from the Brisbane Heat. So guys, this is all about the possible playing 11 of Brisbane Heat. Let's move ahead and talk about the opponent team, which is Josh Philippe and Vince probably open the inning. K. Peterson will come on first down. Moises Henrik, Jordan Silk, Jack Edwards, Shane Abbott and Jell Davis will handle the middle order of Sydney Sixers. Ben Dwadris and Jackson Bird will handle pacing attack from Sydney Sixers, and Todd Murphy will handle the spinning attack from Sydney Sixers. So guys, let's move ahead and talk about the fantasy tips which is most beneficial to create your dream team in your fantasy team. So first of all, looking by the pitch behavior, picking top order batsman would be crucial here. You can pick top order batsman in your fantasy teams. Also, death over bowlers are excellent wicket taker in fantasy teams. So you can also pick death over bowler in your fantasy teams. If we talk about the wicket keeping sections, both wicket keeper are good. Sam Billing and Josh Philippe are good choice from the wicket keeping sections, and pacers play major role in this venue. You can pick pacers in your fantasy team. So guys, let's move ahead and talk about the Polysports pre-lineup fantasy team. From the wicket keeping sections, I am picking Sam Billing and Josh Philippe. From the batting sections, I am picking Colin Munro and James Vince. In all-rounder sections, I am picking Moises Henry, Paul Walter and Jack Edwards. You can also pick Mitchell Nesser, drop any bowler. Shane Abbott, Ben Dwadri, Swepson and Xavier Bartlett. This is my bowling choice. So guys, this is my pre-lineup team where my captain choice is Paul Walter and vice captain choice is Jack Edwards. You can also make captain or vice captain Moises Henrik and Ben Dwadri with great choice of your captain and vice captain. So guys, once again, happy new year to all my viewers, and meet you in next video. Bye bye and take care.